In July 2018, Singapore was rocked by its worst-ever cyberattack. The personal information of 1.5 million SingHealth patients, including Prime Minister Hsien Loong, was stolen. This wasn't just another breach, it was a national security wake-up call. SingHealth is Singapore's largest public healthcare group, managing hospitals like Singapore General Hospital and the National Cancer Centre. It holds millions of electronic medical records, names, NRICS, addresses, prescriptions, everything a hacker could want. The attack began quietly between June and July 2018. Hackers infiltrated SingHealth's IT systems through a vulnerable, unpatched server, gaining access to the patient database. Over 1.5 million records were copied, including details of 160,000 patients' outpatient prescriptions. And here's the shocking part, it took 6 days before the breach was even recognized. A committee of inquiry was formed to uncover what went wrong. They found a mix of technical and human errors. Servers left unpatched for 14 months, poor security awareness, and hesitation to report suspicious activity. The breach was sophisticated, customized malware unseen anywhere else, suggesting a state-linked operation. 2 IHIS. Integrated Health Information Systems employees were fired. The CEO faced financial penalties. And the Personal Data Protection Commission fined IHIS $750,000 and SingHealth $250,000 for not doing enough to safeguard personal data under the Personal Data Protection Act. Singapore's government rolled out major reforms, stricter cybersecurity policies, internet separation for healthcare systems, and mandatory cyber awareness training. The 2018 SingHealth cyberattack stands as one of the most well-documented and analyzed cyber incidents in Asia's history. It exposed how a single lapse could compromise national trust, and how transparency, accountability, and reform can rebuild it. The SingHealth breach showed that even the most advanced nations are not immune. It highlighted one truth: cybersecurity isn't just about firewalls and software, it's about people, vigilance, and accountability. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next one.